Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by isolating variables. Remove printers, drives, and hubs so you test core hardware only. Check the power LED and any BIOS beep codes. These give quick clues. Once done, try a hard power cycle. Hold power 10-15 seconds, then restart. If Windows still fails to start, prepare a Windows 10 USB recovery drive on another computer. This lets you run startup repair or access advanced options. Keep notes on any messages or codes you see. Once you boot from the recovery USB, choose Troubleshoot and Advanced options so you can run startup repair. This often fixes corrupted boot files automatically. If that doesn't work, open Command Prompt and use bootrex/fixmber, bootrex/fixboot, and bootrex/rebuild to repair boot records. These commands rebuild the pathways Windows uses to load. Make sure to run chkdskc/f/r to scan for disk errors, because physical drive faults commonly block startup. Note results for the next step. If Windows boots after repairs, immediately enter safe mode and uninstall any recent updates or drivers that likely caused the failure. This prevents recurrence. If problems persist, use System Restore from Advanced options, or choose Reset this PC and select Keep my files to preserve data while restoring system files. As a last resort, back up your files to an external drive and perform a clean install from the USB. If you see consistent hardware errors, swap the drive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.